Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off repost on TikTok. So if you don't want people reposting your videos or want to stop repost activity, here's what you need to know about turning off repost on TikTok. So TikTok currently does not have a global turn off repost button, but you can control it indirectly using the methods I'll show you. So method 1, make your account private. So click on your profile at the bottom right, tap on the three lines at the top right. Next, tap on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down a bit and under Account, tap on Privacy and turn on Private Account. So only approved followers can see and repost your content. Now, method 2 is limit who can interact. So go back to Settings, tap the three lines at the top right, tap on Settings and Privacy, tap on Privacy, scroll down to Interactions, tap on Comments, tap on Allow Comments From, and change it to Friends. Now, this reduces how your content spreads. Now, the third method is disabling sharing per video. Now, when posting a video, on the posting screen, look for Privacy Settings. Now, when posting a video, on the posting screen, look for the Privacy Settings. Scroll down and under Video Privacy, turn off Allow Reuse of Content. So this is the closest way to turn off repost for a video. Now method 4 is remove existing repost. So go to your reposted videos, open the reposted, tap the share icon, and tap remove repost. Now this clears reposts you made yourself. Now take note, no full disable feature yet, and settings may change with updates, and some sharing options still remain like copying links. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching.